I put 1000 degree iron balls into instant noodles before. Cook the instant noodles directly. Then if you heat the iron ball to 1000 degrees, what happens if you put it in alcohol and gasoline? Will it catch fire directly? Next, let's stop talking nonsense and start testing directly. We have alcohol in our house. It's still 95 degrees. Gasoline is pumped in my brother's car, but my brother said he's running out of gas in the car. Let's give him less smoke. Just smoke a bowl. Superior, that much gasoline should be enough. Now let's start heating the iron ball. Okay, I can see it. It's very hot now. But it's not that red in the video. I'll give you a try with that toilet paper. How hot is it now? The temperature is very high. Now it's not 1000 degrees. It's about 800 degrees too. Next, let's first put this iron ball in this alcohol. Try it. I went to this alcohol and it boiled directly, but he didn't light it. It's not quite there yet. Let's wait a few minutes. Let's see how hot he can get. Do you know this word? Does it look like the number 1? Now the iron ball is cold. He just boiled this alcohol. Just didn't point me to go. Fuck it, it just smashed it for me. He can't light it with that iron ball. Should be able to light it with a lighter. See no, see no. Fuck me. Don't say anything. If you say too much, this video will not pass the review. Do you see it? I burned the remote control. But what about the alcohol? It's really impossible to light it with an iron ball. Let's try again next time. Can this gasoline be ignited? I'm going. I think it's okay. 1, 2, 3. I went here and boiled the gasoline inside. But it doesn't matter. No response at all. Let's wait a little longer. See if this glass bottle will explode. What is this? I would rather go here than alcohol. Alcohol still boiled for a while. This petrol is totally unresponsive. Maybe too much gas?